If you really want to see progress in your dance journey, please change your mindset about the progress. And the mindset that I'm talking about is many people think that if they learn everything, they will be master. The key is you don't need to learn everything. You just need to explore everything as much as you can in your dance journey. So learning and exploring are different. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can access infinite movement with one simple movement. Also, I will show you how you can find the mechanism of every movement that you want to play and dance with. If you believe in this principle, less is more, stay with me till the end. In this session, we're going to explore two different basics, which one of them is Steve Martin, is focused on footwork, and another one is Monastery, which is more concentrated on arm movement.
RJ.
What patterns can be explored with this simple movement. The first pattern that we're going to play with is its whole body groove. Steve Martin is made by down, up, down, and turn. So if we go down, then up, down, and turn, we can do Steve Martin. After I show you a demo about this pattern, you can just put a song and play with this pattern by yourself, so you can be aware of how you can play with a simple pattern of Steve Martin, and to not just do the basic step, but also you can do variations.
RJ.
So you can play with this pattern however you want. You can do this, down, up, down, and turn. Or you can do this, down, up, down, and turn. You can just perform a whole turn or just a half turn. Turn side to side, or turn a whole circle. Try this pattern and enjoy. Your hands also can be used by this pattern. For example, you can choose your hands, your arms to show the directions: down, up, down, and turn, down, up, down, and turn, down, up, down, and turn. And you can freestyle with this pattern. Try to freestyle with your arms. Try to freestyle with your head, with your neck. Down, up, down, turn. Down, up, down, turn. You know, you can do Steve Martin simply with all of your body parts. It shouldn't be always like 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can do this like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ta 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 ta. Or slower, like ta 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 ta. Second pattern that is pretty essential for you as a dancer is using angles and using line and 90 degrees. If you look deeper at Steve Martin, you can realize that Steve Martin is made by a rule, a principle of symmetry. 90 degrees shape and another 90 degrees knee, then again 90 degrees. And when we want to turn, we have to do our footwork like a line. So Steve Martin is made up with a line and 90 degrees. So you can use this pattern for your freestyle. You can use it with your arms in order to have more arm movements. Let me show you a demo. Alright, now it's time for you to explore this pattern however you want. Well done. Now it's time to learn another basic step, which is Monastery. Monastery is pretty simple and it's like this. Now, guess the patterns that this basic has. The first pattern that it has is rolling arms or circle shape movement of arms. 1, 2. Rolling is a foundation, so you can learn about it in this video. If you want to fully experience it and explore it, you can watch this video.
What it's like to love someone so much and treat them hard. take away the pain, pain, pain. Try to take away the pain, pain, pain. Pain, 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 pain. Sitting here patching myself up, crying over what's left, 'cause without you I ain't shit but no pressure. Guess I gotta learn my lesson. Try to take away the pain, pain, pain. Try to take away the pain, pain. Sitting here patching myself up, crying over what's left, 'cause without you I ain't shit but no pressure. Guess I gotta learn my lesson. Pain, 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 pain. Sitting here patching my
Take your time, practice this pattern, and explore new ideas. And the second pattern of this simple basic is like we're hitting the ground with our toes. Like 1, 2, 3, and 4 with toes, and when our knees go inside. You can show hitting when you're freestyling and dancing with all of your body parts. For example, boom, boom, ta, ta, boom, ta, boom. It shouldn't be just with toes. You can explore it with heel, heel, jump, or hit with your knees. Boom, ta, ta, ta. It's a bit like rocking, because in rock we have hits. So try this and explore this pattern. Now it's time that you mix all the things you've learned from this session, explore them all in one round. So don't tell me you don't know any movement and you can dance. You know 4 patterns, which is absolutely more valuable than just simple movement. Patterns allow us to explore more and have a deeper connection with our body movement.
RJ.
Wizard.
Take your time, explore every basic that you love. If you take longer time for exploring patterns, you will be more confident in your dance journey. You can produce many movements with one simple basic. So I hope that you have a great practice session, and if you have any question, don't hesitate, please ask me. I will answer you as soon as I can. Have a good time. Bye bye.